All right, I'm going to show you guys a nice little trick on how to get YouTube videos that you want to use for your stream assets. Easy peasy lemon squeezy without going through the risk of dangerous sites that might give you a virus, bloatware, or anything else that you don't want, maybe getting your information. So let's say you got yourself a funny little clip, you got yourself a nice little nostalgia moment. I'm looking at this baby right now. Ignore the red in my eyes, I've been smoking a little bit. I could green screen that dollar bill right there, you know, totally. I could then green screen that computer monitor. And the comedy writes itself. Somebody literally wrote this joke just for me to use.
It didn't work.
This is all Mr. Krabs' fault.
Anyways, all you gotta do, grab that link, baby, and then you pull up one of the oldest media players of all time, VLC Media Player, as you don't know how old this thing is. Go to Open Network Stream, you paste in your link right there, you click on play. It is then going to play your video. This isn't always going to work. Sometimes it's not going to load, and I don't know why, but it's specific videos. That's all I gotta say. If it doesn't work with a specific video, it's not gonna work on that video. Go try to find another video. And then all you do, click on Tools, Media Information, right here in the Location tab. Easy peasy, select it all, copy. I don't know why so many people have done so many roundabout ways of teaching how to download YouTube videos. But anyways, now you put this baby in your URL bar and it takes you straight to the raw video, where you can 3-tab download it just like it was nothing. Now I hope you enjoy yourself, and I hope you enjoy some goddamn easy peasy YouTube downloading. No more having to worry about virus, no more about having people steal your information, nothing, just enjoy downloading.